Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Haasl Tools and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Today we're just going to make a quick video with all the colors that have been coming out. You know, we showed you from the tool show. Everybody's liking to personalize their tools, so let me show you a super quick and easy way to personalize your tools without buying new ones. So we're going to start out with these. I have the Flank Drive Plus wrenches. This is my personal toolbox. I even got my name on it right there. But these are my personal tools. Looks like I'm missing one. I gotta put it away there. I got the Blue Point metric ratcheting wrenches in here. You can tell these are some old school ones I have in here. So we're gonna take these and personalize this metric set, and I should be able to get it done in probably less than 10-15 minutes. So this is not my idea. It's just something I've seen over time, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. So we're going to take a paint marker right here, and I have a red one. I got it all shook up, so it's all set to go. And we're going to start painting on them wrenches. So what you're going to want to do, I just took the 13 out here. What you're going to want to do is clean this off on the face as best you can. I left the fingerprints on that part just so you could see it was dirty, but this part is nice and clean. And I actually did the 10 yesterday, and so that it would be nice and dry. Let's go ahead and paint this 13 up. And what I did, well, this is from yesterday, but what I like to do is push these down to make sure that the paint is really flowing out of there. And then we'll come over here and very carefully fill, no, who cares? Just paint all over it, just like that. And then where it says Snap-on, or maybe you don't want to do it where it says, maybe you just want to do the size. You can do whatever you want. This is personalizing. You got purple tools. You want to do purple. They make paint markers in all different colors. I'll put a link down in the description to Amazon where you can get some paint markers. And just gob this stuff on there really good. Make sure there's plenty in there. And when you're done, it should look something like that. Here is the 10 that I did. This was done yesterday, so this is super dry. And there you go. That's how you personalize. That looks good, doesn't it? So if you didn't like the look of the paint all over like that, what you can do, I went to my local grocery store and I picked up some of these SOS pads here. And we're gonna go outside by the hose, get some water, and see what we can come up with. Got one of these SOS pads out here, just running under the water, just so we got a little lubrication on there. All right, we got our SOS pad with water on it. Now we just gotta find a place to put the camera, and we'll get to work on this. That seems to work. So here is our painted wrench, and we'll just take this SOS pad and rub on here. You know, it'd be really nice right now, maybe some of them blue Scott's towels. They never got a hold of me. They must not like my channel or something. Like I said, I let this dry overnight for two reasons. A, to make sure it was dry, and B, I didn't have any SOS pads until today, but I got most of the paint off of there. Let's go ahead and see how it looks cleaned up. There it is. Using that SOS pad, we were able to get all the extra paint off the wrench, and it just stays inside of where it's engraved. You can do this in any color that that you like, that matches. If you got green, orange, you could do black, you could do purple, whatever you like. There's a ton. I searched on Amazon. There's a ton of different colors available. So we'll go ahead. This one looks like it's already just about dry. I'm going to mark up the rest of them and then clean them up, and we'll see what the whole set looks like when it's done. Mind, you can do your ratchets as well on the head there. And if you wanted to do down below where the engraving is, you can. Just clean it up real good before you put the paint on there. So I'm just going to let them dry here. Oh, probably for the next 10-15 minutes. It's a little humid out, so it might take a little bit of time. And we're going to do the same process. Use the steel wool, and we'll get a shot what they look like when they're all done. I also did the ratchet head just so we can see what that looks like when it's all done. With the on and off, and then up above. So this one looks like it's almost dry, but I'll just give it a little bit more time here to set up and cure. So I've taken 2 of my sockets here. The one I did all the way around, so it's going to get all the grooves in there. It'll get the size, the snap-on, all that stuff. The other one, I just did the size. So we'll take a look and see how these turn out. Let me know when these are done. Let me know down in the comments which way you think is better. Some people tell us, you know, it's hard to see the size in there, and that'll definitely help, but I'm not sure how it'll look when it's all the way done. So let me know what your opinion is on that. And these are still dry. All right, so here is the final product. And we got them all done, 10 to 19. Look at how awesome that looks. I'm still missing that one. I know a guy where I can get one from though, but do it in the color that that you like. I had to pick red for Snap-on Red, but if you like green, orange, purple, whatever the color is, you can do it in your own color. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the sockets, see how they turned out. So here's the sockets. They did not turn out as good as I was hoping to do. You can read it a little better. There's a 16. The one where I just did the number, that was a little tough to read. I think you'd have to go with a darker color than red. Maybe do it in a black. You know, this one's, it's cool though. You can see the soap that I used from when I was using the steel wool, but there's that. And then the last thing is our ratchet with the snap-on up top, the on and off. If nothing else, I at least cleaned my tools a little bit today. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. What color would you pick out? Would you do it or not do it? The more comments we get, the more likes we get, the more dislikes we get, the more they push my videos out there. So I always appreciate that. That helps me out too. So on that note, appreciate you spending a few moments of your time with me today, and have a good night.